Feeling tired and discouraged despite your best efforts to eat well and exercise? At Biobi Health, we believe the answer may be hidden in your metabolism. Age, environmental toxins, and the North American lifestyle can slow your metabolism down, causing fatigue, brain fog, and a state of chronic low-grade inflammation in your body. It's like you're carrying around extra rocks in your backpack without knowing it. Our precision testing and personalized lifestyle and supplement protocols are built to detect and remove those rocks, so you can walk around lightly with a renewed sense of vitality and energy. I'm Dr. Obayashi, founder of Biobi Health, and after practicing medicine for over 15 years, my new focus is improving mental and physical performance and preventing disease instead of reacting to it. Instead of just finding a pill for every ill, I want to look deeper and find the underlying root cause of your health concern and fix it. Let me give you a concrete example. We all know about the rise of microplastics and hormone-disrupting pollutants in our environment, but did you know we can actually test for them in your body and check how your metabolism is reacting to them? And most importantly, we can get rid of them naturally by improving your detoxification pathways. Once the toxins are removed, you're in the maintenance phase where your body can repair itself so you can reach your full potential. We combine your symptoms, precision testing, and genetics into a summarized Biobi Health plan, which contains your unique priming, detox, and maintenance supplement protocol. We cycle supplements through these different phases to follow your body's natural rhythms and avoid the usual set it and forget it approach to supplements. We use detox broadly to describe detoxification protocols for your liver, digestion, hormones, mitochondria, etc., and you'll learn how to manage your own health plan and supplements to get a lifetime of value from us. This brings me to a pervasive problem in the natural healthcare industry that I'd like to tackle head on right now, and that is profiting on the back end with treatments and supplements. As a board-certified Canadian family physician, I don't profit from any treatment or supplement recommendations. Instead of giving you fish, we're teaching you how to fish. Right now, our healthcare system is reactionary. If you have a symptom or disease, we can patch it up, but it's just band-aids over bullet holes until we get to the root cause of why you have that symptom or disease. After 1,000 ER shifts, delivering hundreds of babies, running a remote cardiac stress testing program, and working in hospitals and clinics for over 15 years, I've realized that most chronic diseases are lifestyle diseases. Think of your body as a tree. As a family doctor, I work with specialists in the different branches of medicine. So you have a cardiologist for your heart branch, nephrologist for your kidney branch, dermatologist for your skin branch. And we're very good at diagnosing and treating the visible parts of your tree. So even with Biobi Health, you continue to see your family doctor and specialists for the diagnosis and treatment of disease. Biobi Health is here for your prevention of disease. With further training in lifestyle medicine, genetics, and functional medicine, I look at your 5 roots, which are social connection, sleep, stress, nutrition, and exercise. By looking at your whole tree, from your roots to your branches, I'll have a deeper understanding of you as we walk through your health journey together. Let's look at an example of your poo to see exactly what I mean. Yes, I said your poo, which contains billions of bacteria and fungi that make up your gut microbiome. These little guys are what I studied in my bachelor's degree in cell biology and genetics, and it's cool that I get to use that knowledge again. You have about 25,000 genes. Your gut microbiome has over 1 million genes, many of which help them digest your food into active metabolites that enter your bloodstream and affect your brain, liver, and cardiovascular system. This can affect your mood, detoxification pathways, and risk of heart disease. So it's in your best interest to keep your gut microbiome healthy and working for you, not against you. By combining your symptoms, stool tests, blood tests, genetics, all create a priming, detox, and maintenance health plan to improve your gut microbiome. Then you can leverage these little friends to improve your metabolism, and they work for you 24/7. In summary, Biobi Health provides you with precision metabolic testing, a personalized health plan, and teaches you how to optimize it over time. Please go to our website, biobi.ca, that's biobi.ca, to book your first consultation with me to discuss your current preventive health plan and which of our programs are best suited for you. I'm looking forward to talking with you and help bring the future of medicine to you today.